we're gonna take the wraps off the Vivo V19. The variant that we have here comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So let's quickly take a look at what you get here on inside the Vivo V19 box. And here we have some accessories inside this box, which we're going to take a look at a little later. First, let's get on to the phone. So yeah, this is the phone in my hand, and by the looks of it, it does look pretty good. I mean, the bag's surely pretty reflective and you can literally see your own face here. It also attracts fingerprints quite easily, it seems. But apart from that, it's quite handy to hold, and I'm just gonna get the power on. And as you can see, I can already see two front cameras here on the display, and there's 1, 2, 3 and 4 cameras at the back. So that's the Vivo V19 from the outside. We're going to take a look at what you get inside the phone, but before that, let's quickly get on to what you get here. So this, I think, is the data cable. Yes, it is. So this is what is used to charge the smartphone, and it's a Type-C cable, and looks like a pretty standard cable with no proprietary nature to it. And then you also get a TPU silicone case. We're gonna put this in the phone and see just how it looks. It's pretty tight and it fits snug. So yeah, let's keep it aside. And here you have the SIM card remover, warranty card, and a quick start guide. So these are the documentation inside. Let's take this out, and this is a earphone with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it's a good one that not a lot of smartphones offer a pair of headphones these days out of the box, so that's pretty good. And then you have a Vivo Flash Charge 2.0 adapter. I've learned that this one charges the phone at 33 watts of power, and the phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery. So yeah, this is the Vivo V19 in my hands, and yeah, it does come preloaded with some apps, and it looks and sounds pretty smooth. And let's quickly take a look at the settings. So you have a lot of features here. I can see an ultra game mode, a motorbike mode, and a lot of digital well-being and RAM and storage space. All those things are there. Here's the camera app, and yeah, it comes pretty well featured with its own video mode. Then there's a 48 megapixel mode where you can take photos from and the likes. There are 2 cameras on the front, like we said before, and 4 at the back. So that was the Vivo V19 for you guys. Thanks for watching.